हेलो, यूट्यूब चैनल लेक्स कॉन्सिलियम फाउंडेशन की प्लेलिस्ट इनसे मिलिए में आज बात कर रहे हैं एडवोकेट आकांक्षा चौधरी से। मेरा पहला सवाल इनसे ये है कि आज से 12 साल पहले 2012 में आपने लॉ की पढ़ाई का फैसला किया और उसके बाद 5 इयर्स लॉ कोर्स ज्वाइन किया। तो उस समय क्या आपकी मेंटल स्टेट था, क्या आप सोच रही थी, हमारे व्यूअर्स को बताएं।
First of all, thank you so much, sir, for having me here. So, when I was a student at school, so I was always fascinated with the idea of doing justice and courtroom drama that we all see in the movies. And apart from that, तो मेरे बड़े ताऊजी एडवोकेट हैं. So the amount of respect he used to receive in the family, the moment he used to enter in the room, his word were given that weight.
Okay.
वो जो बोलते थे that used to be पत्थर की लकीर. So that made a point in my mind that if you are a qualified person, especially of that profession, that is law, then you will always be valued in the society. Your word will always have a value. So I was always interested in wearing a black coat, going to the court, fighting for the justice. So I always had that inspiration, and obviously Tauji motivated me for that. But I had no idea कि मेरे को क्या एग्ज़ाम देना है, कहाँ एडमिशन लेना है. I had no guidance from the school, because school counseling, it is a good thing that nowadays students are getting counseling at school levels. But back in my school there was no one to guide me that what you are exactly supposed to do. So, and there was one conflict of choosing the stream after I finished my 10th. So commerce or humanities was not considered to be a very good stream. So despite what you want to become, science was somewhere imposed on you कि आप साइंस स्ट्रीम लो तो अच्छा माना जाएगा. तो मैंने 12th में साइंस ली और फिर मेरी स्कूलिंग ख़त्म होने के बाद आई डिड माई ओन रिसर्च, आई अपीयर्ड फॉर क्लैट एंड देन आई एंटर्ड द लॉ स्कूल.
तो would that mean that you saw your बड़े ताऊजी and the respect that he commanded in your family and in the community all around, that encouraged you to take up law?
Yes sir, it did.
So very good, you have given a very valid reason what led you to take up law as a profession. And my next question to you is that having completed your law and that you did your LLM in criminal law.
Yes sir.
And you joined litigation, you have been enrolled as an advocate.
Yes sir.
But then there is a correction mid-course. And now you are more inclined to be a law teacher, to get into academic.
Yes,
what
sir.
led you to decide this?
Yes sir. So the moment I passed out from law school, so I was very excited, I was thrilled because I was ready to enter the court and start with my litigation. The moment I applied my knowledge practically, so I felt that I was reintroduced to the law.
Okay.
So the practical thing, what you exactly face in the courts, ये सारा कुछ आपको law school में बहुत elaborately नहीं बताया जाता.
उससे ये हट करके है.
Yes sir.
Okay.
It is very different from what we study at the law school.
Okay.
Theoretical knowledge, obviously वो बहुत ज़रूरी है, हमें पता होना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि किस केस में हम लोग को कहाँ पे केस फाइल करना है, क्या हमारा पूरा प्रोसीजर होगा, ये सब कुछ ज़रूरी है. बट उसके साथ साथ प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज देना भी लॉ स्कूल में बहुत ज़रूरी है. और जब मैं कोर्ट में एंटर हुई तो ऑब्वियसली वो मेरे बचपन का कोर्ट रूम ड्रामा और वो मूवीज़ में जज का ऑर्डर बोलना, विटनेस बॉक्सेस होना, ऐसा सब कुछ नहीं होता है कोर्ट में. इट इज़ वेरी रॉन्गली डिस्प्लेड इन द मूवीज़.
तो आप ये कहना चाह रही हैं कि लॉ स्कूल
यस सर
आपको लॉ प्रोफेशन के लिए एग्जैक्टली तैयार नहीं करता. वहाँ जो सीखते हैं वो यहाँ काम नहीं आता और यहाँ जो ज़रूरत है वो सिखाया नहीं जाता.
करेक्ट सर, इट इज़ एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट टू से दिस. आपको लॉ डिग्री मिल जाती है, आप एलिजिबल हो जाते हो कोर्ट में प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए, बट आप प्रिपेयर्ड नहीं होते.
Okay.
प्रिपेयर्ड क्यों नहीं होते? क्योंकि आपको यू फील वेरी फ्रेश, यू फील वेरी न्यू एंटरिंग इनटू द कोर्ट एंड यू फील क्लूलेस एट टाइम्स. फाइलिंग कहाँ पर होगी, ई फाइलिंग कैसे होगी, कैसे प्रोसीजर फॉलो किया जाएगा, ई कोर्ट्स का एक्सेस कैसे होगा, आप कैसे यू नो हाउ विल यू बैक द जॉब. If we talk about the litigation that we have in the courts, if you want to go to the corporate, it is obviously very easy. You can join any law firm and you can start with your job. But graduating from the law school is completely different from the other graduates. जहाँ पे आपको एक certain package की job मिल जाती है, you go to the office, you come back your home and then you know plan your expenses as per your salary. Plus when you join as a junior advocate, the salary is very meager, and then you start questioning yourself that after spending this much of time at law school and in such small salary, how will you going to compensate with the other things?
Thank you. So a very important, significant point has been brought out by Akanksha, that the law school are not able to produce, to train, to teach the students to emerge as a litigating lawyer. That's one. And then there is a point that the earnings or the remuneration which a junior gets is not adequate. It may sound, it may appear inadequate, disappointing, but then perhaps that's the learning phase. We will continue our conversation with Akanksha. Be with us to hear more about the career as a litigating lawyer. Thank you.